I want to show you, guys. This is potato. Potato. You can see potato with tomatoes, with chicken. It's very, very delicious. And if you want to cook this kind of thing, I will show you what you need. And this thing is very delicious. This food is for everybody, both white and black. But I will show you how to cook it so that you will get the taste. I cook it form of porridge. This thing, you need three pieces of tomatoes, and you need a bag of potato. Like a bag of potato can be €3. Yeah, depend. If you are 2 people, you need a bag of potato. If you are 3 people in the house, you also need a bag of potato. If you are also 4 people in the house, you need a bag of potato. Chicken. You see, tomatoes. This is chicken. Then you need olive oil. You need onions. You can slice 3 pieces of onions. Yeah, not a bag of onions. Just take 3 from the bag. Take 3. Then slice it. You can add pepper. Either you add this fresh pepper or Africa dry pepper. Then you need the salt and Maggi. Remember, salt, Maggi, onions, tomatoes, groundnut oil, chicken, potato. Just this is what you need to cook this delicious food. You see, this is very delicious. This is a delicious food. I bring it to the camera so that I should show you. I could go and eat in my dining table. It's very, very good, my brother and sister. Children can eat it. Adults can eat it. Everybody can eat it. If you are a white person, you want to do it, don't put too much pepper. If you are a black man that married to a white woman, don't put too much pepper so that your wife can also eat the food. If you are a black man that have a white children, don't just put pepper. You can only do extra pepper in extra things so that you can eat with yours. Very delicious. Very delicious, my people. Very delicious. Oh, you can eat this kind of thing every day. Person like me, I will not be tired. See, chicken. My people, enjoy yourself. You see how they hear the sound? My boy, they eat. Oh, it's hot, eh? Very delicious. It's hot, it's hot. Very delicious, but it's hot. Man. Enjoy yourself. For me, I always love to cook in the house because When I cook, I will enjoy it. Sometimes I don't like going to restaurants because I don't know who cooked the food. I don't know I don't know nothing about the kitchen. If the kitchen is clean or that is not clean, I don't know. I'm not there. That is why everybody you know, have different thing that they like. My own, I prefer to cook. I can cook. I can cook up with. I can cook food for 20 people. I won't be tired. Every day, let's start eating fresh food. I can do that. See, huh? Potato, but it's hot. Mm. Mm. You see, delicious, delicious, my people. You can. There is another way to cook it also. You can see take potato, tomatoes, mm, onions, groundnut oil, chicken, or fish. You can also use fish. Then you can also use green beans. You know that fresh green beans. You can also put green beans inside. Cook it. Your children will eat. They will look fresh. You see, this is the thing I'm eating. Oh. If I tell you my age, you see the way I look fresh. This is the food I'm eating. If you want to look fresh like me, my dear, eat good food. Good food is good, not by having money. Oh. You have money, you are not eating good food. Oga, please, it's not good like that. As you have money, my dear, look for somebody with good home training. Pay that person that know how to cook. Oh. Not all women that know how to cook. Children that were brought up and trained properly, who can cook delicious. Um, mm, the chicken get bone, man. Mm, it's delicious, yeah. It's nice, my dear. I wish you people are here now with chef with you. I have enough in the pot. Oh. Mm, I don't know how to break bone, eh? Since I came to this country, my teeth is no longer strong. Mm. Um, mm. This is how this woman eat. Eh? You see the way I eat. We don't form. I don't form. This is how I eat. See, eat with me. You see, eat with me. My dear, they eat too. Eat. Eat, my sister. Go and cook and eat. When you go to market now, if you want to cook in the house, what some people don't know, well, it's also good to go to restaurants time to time. Mm. Oh, my sister, oh my brother, food is good. Food is good. What I like about this, you can also use it to eat fufu. Something like this. You can use it to eat fufu. You can use it to eat rice. Yeah, you can use porridge to eat fufu. Mm-hmm. Mm. All my fans, don't worry. I wish you are close to me now. I will be dropping it on your mat, all of you. Mm. Deliciously. Mm. Deliciously. You know what they call deliciously? Mm. Onion buzo. Actually, I like when food is hot. You know, that moment you just cook it. I like hot food. But sometimes you always burn my tongue, but I don't care. Mm-hmm. Enjoy. Enjoy yourself when you are young. Food. Mm? To stand up and go and take cup. I can't do that now. Let me drink my water here. I can't stand up. Normally, I like to drink cup. I have a manners. I have table manners. You people should not think I have really table manners. I can't finish it. It's too much. Look at the big plate and deep. You see? I can't. But the chicken. Oh God. Mm. Mm. You see? Sometimes I have to be careful. All this. I'm a kind of person. I'm always afraid. I don't want to fat. I don't want to add too much weight. I'm always careful. But what can I do? My dear, I have to eat. I have to eat. This is also chicken. Oh, Papa. Thank you, God, for the food. Ah, see? Delicious, delicious. Delicious, delicious. Mm-mm. Cook it for your children. Even your 2 years child can eat porridge. You can use nyam. You can still use katofi. Jama call it katofi. English call it potato. Mm. You people are see the way I eat. God bless you. Bye. Stay blessed. Mm. Bye bye.